Okay, so into engithe sizoqala ngayo la sisuka from ama-orthographic projections nayi-drawing ethe sinayo sibuyela kwi-isometric drawing. So step sokuqala is to draw a horizontal construction line, and then on top of that construction line I draw a vertical line. You see our vertical line, and then I put my 30 degrees angle. I draw a line to this side, and I put my 30 degrees angle again, and then I draw a line to that side. Okay, so from there, what's wrong with my camera? From there, okay, this is bad. Okay, right. Then the distance from here to here, it is 100. So I'm gonna measure 100 from here, and then it end here. Okay, then I draw a vertical line, a vertical construction line. You are the only one who's supposed to see that line. Okay, then the distance from here to here, it's 70. So I'm gonna measure from here to that side 70, and then I draw a vertical line. Okay, a vertical construction line. You are the only one who's supposed to see that line. Okay, then from there, the height of our isometric drawing, as you can see from the side view, it is 70. So I'm gonna measure the height of our isometric, of which is 70. Okay, right now I'm constructing my isometric box, right? I hope you can see, even though it's a construction line, but hopefully you guys can see. I know your eyes are very sharp, right? Then we have something like this. We have our isometric box, right? We have our isometric box. Okay, then we start by putting what we are gonna be seeing when you are coming from the front view. Okay, into sobe siyibona masiqhamuka front ile mina sizame ukuyifaka la. Okay, siyaqala sine distance ekhuphukayo la ewu-30, right? Asizama ukufaka lo 30. So suka la sikhuphuka simeasure 30, nangu 30, right? Then sibeke irula lethu eliwu-30 kanje. Sayibona i-construction line esinayo la, sithembe sayibona. Then leyo distance leyo mayisuka la iza la ukuthi ubani kuzoba u-15 plus no-55. 15 plus 55, okay? Qala ku-15 plus 55, okay? Then the remainder is 30. Okay, from there, from my 55, I draw a vertical line, a vertical construction line, and then this distance from here to here, it's supposed to be 30. Okay, this distance from here to here, or from here to here, it's supposed to be 30. So let me measure it. Okay, it's 30. Then I draw something like this. Okay, so now I'm having something of this nature. Okay, then from here to here it's 15, and then from here to here it's 15. Again, from here to here it's 15, then from here to here it's 15. So let us do that. From here to somewhere it's 15, then from here to somewhere it's 15, right? Then I draw a vertical construction line, then I measure 15. Okay, then I have something of this in nature. Okay, let's try to make it bold so that you guys can see what's going on right now. Okay, we are having something of this in nature. Let us try to make it bold so that everyone can understand and see what's really going on. Okay, but hopefully wonke umuntu uyabona. Sithembe ukuthi wonke umuntu uyabona, akekho osalayo asho bakithi. Okay, then sizolona lamalona ethu wonke to this side sisebenzisa iruler lethu leli. Sithatha lo simusa ngapha. We have something of this in nature. Sibuyise lo. Okay, then we draw a vertical construction line, then I join it with this line. Okay, I have something of this in nature. Then again I have a line like this. Then let me try to make everything bold, and then we take it from there. Right, we take it from there, then we took it from there. Right, hopefully siyabona sisuka la esikubonayo masiqhamuka efront nakho sekushoda manje i-rib yethu okuyile ise-center, but masiqhamuka esayidini naphezulu siyayibona ukuthi ise-center, but masiqhamuka efront siyibona ngathi isondele ngapha. So since ise-center sizothi wafika 7 to 35 siwuthole, then mase simeasure u-10 ukukhuluphala kwa i-rib yethu. So senze kanjalo. Center yethu 35, simeasure u-5 5. Na this side 35 mase simeasure 5 then zame-ke ukuthi siyijoyine i-rib yethu. Okay, i-eraser bakwethu iyona esinganayo la komthi. Then from here sidwebula ino kanje, then la siwujoyina ngesandla kahle kodwa it's fine. Then we have something of this in nature. Okay, this is our isometric drawing from the orthographic projections. So easy, right? Okay, the angle here, it's always 30 degrees from the horizontal line, and this side it's always 30 degrees. So we're gonna be using this set square when we are doing our isometric drawing. Okay, we're from the orthographic projections to isometric drawing. Right, this is our front view. As you can see, we have A here, we have B, C and D. So we have A here, we have B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D, and then here we have Z, here we have Z. Okay, then from our top view we have E, G, J, F. So we have E, G, then on top of our rib we have J, then we have F is on this side. Okay, then from our side view we have K, M, then our rib is J, then we have L. Okay, so K is this one, K, then L, M, we have L, M, and our J in between, then and our J in between. Okay, yona ke leyo i-isometric drawing yethu uma sisuka kuma orthographic projections. Cabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uyabona. Asivale lapho.